Since 1967, at Ormazabal, we provide customized, reliable, and high-tech solutions for the electrical distribution networks. Supported by recognized expertise, a high level of service, a global footprint, and a DNA based on innovation. We are prepared and ready to respond to the needs of our clients when deployment occurs. Since 2006, we have researched and tested both gas and product prototypes that are based on different alternatives. We are in permanent contact with the main stakeholders part of this change, like technological and research institutions, sector associations, regulatory authorities, clients, etc. We are vertically integrated to solve complete technological challenges on time, being experts in all technologies and key development elements. This enables rapid innovation. We have a unique research and technology center, a 2.5 GVAs accredited high-power laboratory, and an experimental electric network, all interconnected. All our developments are digital native. Multidisciplinary R&D and I expert teams carry out all the new product designs, facilitating and ensuring the digitalization of the electrical grids.
Technological innovation is vital for us. Our business is based in the development of our own technology, products and services. In fact, we can say that more than half of our turnover comes from products developed in the last few years. We invest more than 4% of our turnover in R&D activities. We are more than 250 technologists and engineers working in this area. And we own a unique research and technology center with first-class testing facilities. All this results in around 300 patents worldwide. Our R&D activities are strongly focused on the sustainable development of products and services in alignment with United Nations Sustainable Goals and the European Green Deal. The responsible use of sulfurous sulfuric gas is a key issue for us, and we are committed to reducing its environmental impact. We have been working on alternatives and patent-free solutions. We have designed and manufactured specific vacuum interrupter low-voltage switches and circuit breakers in our vacuum interrupter plant. We have identified different dielectric media, and the evolution of their physical and chemical properties has been analyzed through our close collaborations with universities and technological centers. These alternatives have been tested in our accredited high-power laboratory, and we have already installed several pilot solutions. At Ormazabal, we have been following the evolution of this design solution and will carry on doing so, continuously innovating.
We have all the design capabilities and industrial facilities to face any challenge related to all possible future SF6-free solutions. We are experts in solid insulation. All solid insulated components, such as bushings, fuse holders and connectors, are all of our own design, and we can manufacture them in our facilities. As an example, we were the first switchgear manufacturer to have modular cubicles with the possibility of interconnecting them using a connection kit. We have the knowledge to design and manufacture tanks and sealed compartments for any necessary overpressure and for any internal arc requirements regardless of the gas use. We have different load break switches and circuit breakers in our switchgears, applying different braking principles from blowing systems to vacuum technology, thanks to our deep knowledge and R&D resources. We are also real experts in the current digitalization processes deployed in electrical networks. We are specialists in integrating our own sensors and protection and automation solutions in order to digitalize the future and smart switchgear. This is demonstrated by our collaboration in the most advanced smart grid deployment in the world. We have the engineering, industrial management and manufacturing capabilities for mass production of highly customized equipment with a rated voltage of up to 40.5 kilovolts. Furthermore, Our products are certified in accordance with international standards like IEC, IEEE and GB among others, while at the same time complying with customer specifications.
New requirements are emerging in electrical distribution networks. Many of them are driven by the digitization processes, such as online monitoring, remote control, automation or self-healing. For all these functionalities to be reliable, a robust and resilient network is needed. During the last decades, gas-isolated switchgear technology, GIS, has demonstrated its robustness, very good performance regardless of environmental conditions, longer lifespan and minimal maintenance. Therefore, the SF6-free solution for future electrical networks will also be GIS.
When determining the optimal technology, we must consider that different electrical networks present different characteristics. For example, voltage levels have a high impact on the insulation medium. Some networks use walking-type secondary substations, while in others the kiosk or compact-type substations are more common, which require smaller product dimensions. Some countries restrict the maximum value for overpressurized products. This clearly compromises the technology to be used. Additionally, an increase in product overpressure could jeopardize internal air safety in some secondary substations, especially in case of retrofitting. Different sources with levels and network practices can also lead to protecting the distribution transformer, using circuit breakers or fuses, in order to limit the energy involved in the event of an internal arc. Some regions are concerned about the use of new synthetic substances based on negative experiences in the past.
Each technology has different implications on electrical distribution networks. This is Ormazabal's main reason to develop the SF6-free solutions. We are focused on working closely with our clients to find the solution that best suits their own network.
From the point of view of reliability and technical performance, environmental impact and economy, SF6 is still the best solution. For example, the real impact of SF6 on global warming is approximately 0.15%. Besides, SF6 is a global solution for primary and secondary distribution, covering all ranges of voltages and applications, but it is very important to find an alternative solution. There will not be a new universal like-for-like solution with similar technical characteristics for insulation and braking. Any alternative solution will present pros and cons, so it will be necessary to prioritize some attributes over others. What characteristics must new solutions meet before deployment? Fully tested solutions in terms of reliability, performance and safety, considering the 40-year average lifetime plus ensuring adequate availability in the market. And adequate transition times to gain experience with regard to new solutions and their integration into the grid, taking into account local technical constraints and special applications. At Ormazabal, we are strongly committed to reduce global greenhouse gas emissions. We have several pilots in experimentation and continue developing new solutions in order to achieve the most similar characteristics to those currently available on the market. In this context, we are listening to our clients' needs and supporting any initiative aimed at achieving climate neutrality by 2050.